Hi, this is Karen. Today I'm doing a review of the Earbuds earphones. These earphones are very nice looking. They're not like any other earphones that I've ever used. The body of the earphones, the earbuds, are handcrafted with real wood combined with like a gold metal. I've had many earbuds and earphones, and none of them have been as comfortable as in my ears as these earphones. The earbuds have always hurt the inside of my right ear, so I can only wear them for a few minutes. And these earbuds fit very snugly and comfortably in both ears, and they don't hurt my ear. You can see how they're kind of angled, so they fit snugly in your ear canal. Okay, so that's both of them. And you can adjust your volume up and down when you listen to music or you talk on your phone. You can answer your phone and end the phone call with just little buttons right here. The cord is 3.9 feet long, and I've never had any problems with them getting all knotted up or tangled. Just nice and long. Very nice looking. They have a great crisp sound with good bass, and they have a noise reduction. It's a great noise reduction, and I'm never distracted from any of the other outside noises. I can't really even hear any outside noises when I'm listening with these. And this is like a silicone, so it's very nice and soft and pliable. And it comes with 4 different sizes. There's small, medium, and large in the silicone. And there's regular. They're more like foamy. It also comes with a very nice hard shell zipper case. There's a mesh pocket inside. You can store your extra ear tips in there. It can store your earphone here, or even in the pocket, and carry some cash or something in there if you need to. I would give this these earphones, a 5 for looks, quality, durability, comfort, and sound, because they're very well made. And my flash went off, so it's a little harder to see now. And this is my review of the Earbuds earphones. Thank you. Have a great day.